Ano daw?
Hindi ko ma-process just how peaceful it is to casually walk here in Rotterdam. Sobrang payapa. Check it out. I mean, I don't know with you, pero sobrang, I just feel so lucky to have this experience that I can take home with me pag uwi sa Pilipinas. Unfair. Walang ganito kagandang casual na free park sa Pilipinas. Ah, ganda. Ang sarap umupo in one of these benches. And then you can just watch the world go by with this view. Kung kasama ko lang yung aso ko, hinabol ka na ng aso ko. Pati siya, nakuha yung attention niya nito.